Chapter 4, Sorting, Charts and its Types Excel 2016. Topics covered: sorting and filtering data, custom filtering, conditional formatting, charts and its different types, creating and changing the attributes of a chart, printing a spreadsheet. Sorting data. Sorting means arranging the data of a spreadsheet either in increasing or decreasing order. In an increasing or ascending order, the data is arranged alphanumerical manner, i.e. from 0 to 9 or A to Z. In a decreasing or descending order, the data is arranged in the reverse alphanumeric manner, i.e. from 9 to 0 or Z to a manner. To understand sorting better, consider the following example and follow the steps given below. In this, we sort the data in an ascending order in respect to the first name heading. Step 1. Select the desired column whose cells you want to sort, which is first name in this case. Step 2. Click the Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A buttons in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab to sort the data in ascending or descending order, respectively. The Sort Warning dialog box will appear, which asks you to select whether you want to sort the whole data according to your selection or just the selected columns. Step 3. Select the Expand the Selection option to change the whole data in an ascending order of the first name. The whole data will be sorted. Filtering data. Excel 2016 also provides a feature called Filter, which helps you to set certain conditions to a range of cells. It then views some particular data, while hiding the rest. The basic difference between sorting and filtering is that unlike sorting, filtering does not rearrange the data. Instead, it hides the rows that you do not want to view temporarily. To filter data in a spreadsheet, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the range of cells on which you want to apply filtering. Step 2. Click the Filter button in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. Or, press the key combination Ctrl+Shift+L on the keyboard. The drop-down menu arrows appear next to each column heading. Step 3. Click the drop-down arrow next to the desired heading. A drop-down list of various options appears. Here, we take the heading age and filter out the rows with age equal to 21. Step 4. Select the checkbox for the option 21 and click OK. A filter button next to the age field will appear, indicating that a filter has been applied. To clear the filter conditions, click the Filter button next to the Age field and select Clear Filter from Age option from the drop-down list. Custom filtering. If you want to filter your data on the basis of some particularly specific conditions, then you can make use of the Custom filtering option. This option is generally used when there is a large number of rows containing lots of data. To understand the use of the Custom filtering option, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the range of cells you want to filter and click the Filter button in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. Step 2. Click the arrow next to the Age field. A drop-down list of various options appears. Step 3. Place the cursor on the Number Filters option. A submenu appears containing various operators to compare numbers such as equals, less than and greater than. Step 4. Select the Custom Filter option in the submenu. The Custom Auto Filter dialog box appears. Step 5. Enter the desired values, making the use of the operators given in both the drop-down list under the Show Rows Where option. Step 6. Click OK. The fields fulfilling the entered conditions will be displayed. Conditional formatting. In Excel 2016, you can apply formatting effects on the cells of your spreadsheet according to some specific conditions, using the conditional formatting feature. This feature is used when a pattern in the data is to be highlighted and differentiated. Let us take an example that you want to highlight the rows which have the course B. Tech. To do so, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the respective range of cells. Step 2. click the Conditional Formatting button in the Styles group on the Home tab. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer to the Highlight Cells Rules option in the menu. Step 4. Select the Duplicate Values option from the submenu. The Duplicate Values dialog box appears and the duplicate option is selected by default. Step 5. Select the color preference of the highlight that you want on the data in the cells. Step 6. Click OK. The cells with the cost value B tech will be highlighted with the respective text charts. When you create a spreadsheet in Excel, it looks very basic even after applying formatting effects. In such cases, you can insert some objects with the use of the Insert tab to make your spreadsheet look attractive. A chart is one such object which makes the representation of the data pictorial and can be used to explain the data easily. Excel maintains a connection between the data and its corresponding chart, as when you make changes to the data in the spreadsheet, the data in the chart changes automatically. Components of a chart. A chart contains a number of components. Let us understand all of them with the help of a simple clustered column chart. Axes. A chart has three axes: the x-axis, which is the horizontal axis and also known as the category axis, the y-axis, which is the vertical axis and is also known as the value axis, z-axis, present in three-dimensional charts. Axis title. The axis title is the heading given to the axes. Grid lines. Horizontal or vertical lines across the plot area are known as grid lines. They help to identify the value of each data point on the chart. Chart title. The chart title is the heading given to a chart. Data points. The points plotted in the chart are known as the data points. You can choose to display the data points in the plot area. Data table. The set of data values with the help of which the chart is drawn is known as the data table. Data labels. The details of data points in a chart are identified with the help of data labels. Chart area. The rectangular area that contains all the components of a chart is known as the chart area. Plot area. The rectangular area enclosed within the axis of the chart where the data is plotted is known as the plot area. Legend. Usually, a data series is denoted by some color or a pattern. This color or pattern is referred to as the legend. Types of charts. There are various types of charts to present the data. Some of the commonly used chart types are column, line, pie and bar chart. Consider the same example given below and observe the types of charts created in the table. Column chart. This type of charts display the data in the form of vertical bars and are used to show differences in data. Line chart. This type of charts display the data in lines formed by connecting the data points and are usually used to show changing trends in data with respect to intervals of time. Pie chart. This type of charts display in the form of a pie circle, taking the sum of all the data points together and dividing them in parts of the pie. Bar chart. This chart is a variation of the column chart. Just like the column chart, it is used to show the comparison among individual items using bars of different heights. However, the bars in this chart are aligned horizontally. Creating a chart. To learn how to create a chart in Excel 2016, consider the same example and follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the range of cells of which you want to create a chart. Step 2. Click the See All Charts button at the bottom right corner of the Charts group on the Insert tab. The Insert Chart dialog box appears with the Recommended Charts tab active. Step 3. Click the All Charts tab and select the desired chart type from the list. For example, here, we select the clustered column subtype from the 2D column chart type. The selected chart for the selected data will appear in the spreadsheet. Now, you can edit, format and insert chart elements in the chart according to your desire. Changing the attributes of the chart. Once you insert a chart in your spreadsheet, you can change its attributes such as its type, layout and style, with the help of the Design and Format tab. These tabs appear on the ribbon when you select the chart. Changing the chart type. To change the chart type, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the chart. Step 2. Click the Change Chart Type button in the Type group on the Design tab. The Change Chart Type dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the new chart type from the left pane and the desired subtype from the right pane of the dialog box. Step 4. Click OK. The previous chart type will be replaced by the new chart type that you select. Changing the chart layout. To change the layout of a chart, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the chart. Step 2. Click the Quick Layout button in the Chart Layouts group on the Design tab. A drop-down list of different types of layouts appears. Step 3. Select the desired layout from the list. The layout of the selected chart will be changed. Changing the chart style. The visual style of the chart to make it look more attractive can be changed using chart styles. To do so, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the chart. Step 2. Click the More button at the bottom right corner of the Chart Styles group on the Design tab. A gallery of ready-made chart styles drops down. Step 3. Select the desired chart style from the gallery. The selected style is applied to the chart. Printing an Excel spreadsheet. After creating, formatting, inserting objects and finalizing your spreadsheet, you can take out a printout of the same. To do so, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the File tab. Step 2. Select the Print option from the left pane of the File menu. Or press the keys Ctrl on the keyboard. Step 3. In the Copies box, enter the number of copies that you want to print and in the Printer section, select the desired printer. Step 4. Click the Print button to start printing the document.